Yo, what's good, YouTube? Um, Travis here. It's been a 2 week hiatus. I'm so sorry, forgive me. That was way too long for no reason. I really don't have no excuse. I got kind of lazy. It was raining a lot, so I didn't really want to film too much. But a lot has changed. As you can see, um, I just bought my first wing for this car. I kept referring to my first wing was gonna be a big ass wing. This wing is a big ass wing, but it's not as big as I had planned to go. Um, I got this wing for a steal. It's called Nur Spec. It's like an FRS version of an STI wing. I bought this wing for 140 bucks with paint. Brand new, it goes for 540 with paint. So I got it for a steal. This kid just bought his FRS. It came with that wing. He bought a carbon fiber trunk and he was like, I'm not gonna put it on the car, so I'm just gonna sell the wing. So he had it listed on the marketplace for 200 bucks as an STI wing. And I'm like, bro, it was only listed for 30 minutes. I was like, I gotta snatch this up. So I offered him 140 and he was like, bet. I was like, let's do it tonight. And then not only that, he came to me and I got the wing that Monday. That next Tuesday, me and my boy, Rashad, he has a dope ass STI. WX, he's probably gonna kill me. It's a WX, but it's mean as fuck. And he installed it for me. I did my first oil change on this car, and that was pretty dope because I was always scared to do an oil change because I didn't think it was gonna be easy, but it's actually as easy as people say. So I'm probably gonna start doing my own oil changes now. And yeah, I also installed a brand new I also installed a brand new Megan Racing rear strut bar. I bought this strut bar because I've been having some handling issues, so I wanted to see if stiffening up the chassis would help with that when I hit full boost, because the car would kind of like get swirly and it'll go like to the left. And it definitely made a difference. It was only 60 bucks. Thank God for eBay. And this Tuesday, I also have another strut bar coming for the front by Megan Racing. And I can't wait to put that on to see what it does, because I know that's supposed to be the biggest change in handling is the front. And what else I got going on? Oh, also, this past weekend, the car actually won its first 2 races. Granted, the race I won, the car was still on a stock tune, so it doesn't really count. But I'm gonna take it as a W because he was talking shit. So shout out to my boy Dennis. He has a big turbo built engine GTI, and we were racing for shits and giggles, but the car did great. After I just got through racing him, a Challenger TA edition. It's a V8. It was modded. He was kind of toying with me at the light. Like, he pulled off, he did a little pull, and then he waited for me to catch up to him, and he'll kind of like, lurch back and forth like he was trying to get me to go ahead. So I finally said screw it, and I hit it. He hit it first, so he already had the jump, and then I hit it, and we were literally just neck and neck the whole way. Like, he wasn't pulling. If anything, I would have pulled on him. And I was just amazed that this car on low boost is like keeping up with a V8. Granted, those cars are boats. I don't consider Challengers fast unless it's a Hellcat. And I was just amazed. Like, the car did great. Next thing for this week, this upcoming Thursday, I'm getting my CRV registered, which is my beater. Most of you probably don't know because I never posted it yet. But I have a 1998 CRV, which is supposed to be my daily instead of this car. So we're gonna try to get that registered so I can let this car relax, get the miles off of it, let it chill, and see what goes down with that. Saturday is supposed to be the final tune day with James Martin. I've had like 6 tuning sessions with him due to so many different issues. None are his fault. It's just my car was misfiring. I was missing this and that. It was always something, but the car has finally been running smooth all month, no issues. So now he can finally data log it, and we can get this car dialed in how it should be. I know the last video I said it was done. It wasn't. This next video, it'll be done. And yeah, so that's really the update I got for now.
I tried. I ain't got the time for it. I don't really care that much.
Nah, I'm gonna keep going. Like, I'm filming it right now.
Good.
Don't hurt my baby.
Yeah, man, you'll be all right. You're in good hands. No. Oops. Oops. All right, now try it. So weird.
That's too big. Look at that.
It's not too big.
It's definitely not going through that double there though, right?
Probably not. Hold
Yeah.
on, pop the trunk actually.
We should probably do these other 2 holes first.
Oh, yeah,
though.
fact.
You know, just be on the safe side in case it try to slide.
That shit like busting through. God damn.
That a problem?
Oh wow. Oh, the tip broke, didn't it? Yep, that's why I did that. You got no more tip. Let me see if I can make this work.
Nope.
Oh.
How you do me?
Hey man.
Dang, scratch my trunk up. That's how you do me, bro.
Hey man, you getting it wrapped? Should be alright.
Man, bro. I don't got money like you, man.
Get out of here.
Big boy money. That really does be busting.
Do that,
through.
bro. That'd be. That even doing anything? Yeah, barely. That's
Barely.
Gonna be,
That's gonna be a while.
yeah, I'm a little bit nervous for this one.
That's a whole different ball game.
Do you not see what I'm looking through? You just twisted, bro.
Show YouTube how to do it.
Oh my god.
That boy got on the easy. See, that's how you know you ballin'.
Nah,
That nigga got money.
it's just something. Just something light. Watch your foot.
Don't hurt my baby.
I'm not like Fernando. I just don't drop my shit on the ground.
Yeah, that oil was nasty though, right? Or am I tripping?
Yeah, it wasn't that bad.
For real?
No, nigga, that was terrible.
You could have went like 10,000.
Yeah, you had some more space.
What?
Yeah,
Nah,
yeah.
I had more space to drive?
Yeah.
This shit's pretty milky though.
That
Oh,
shit's-
for real?
That shit's not bad at all. Look
Yo,
at that.
yeah, that's pretty black.
You heard?
And can't wait to see you guys next time to see, you know, what I do from this point on, because I don't know what's gonna happen. I don't know if I get more mods coming, but something will happen. So see you guys next time.